Hi, Kwa. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. How are you today? Are you?
I'm good.
Yes, that's good to know. Did you already eat your dinner for today?
Yes,
Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat beef.
Beef again. Oh, so delicious. Beef, beef and beef only?
Yeah,
No rice.
yes.
Oh, are you on a diet? Are you on a diet or no?
No,
No. So you just don't want to eat rice?
no, I eat noodle.
Noodles and beef. So is it a beef noodle?
Yes,
Okay.
beef with noodle.
Beef with noodles. Okay, that's delicious, huh? But I don't like noodles. But yeah, it's delicious when you pair it with beef. Okay. So now going back to our lesson. So we will have a new lesson for today. So can you please read what is our lesson all about?
My corn cheese
Okay, my country. So when we say the word country, what comes to your mind, Kwa? What do we mean by country?
is the place we eat and we live.
Okay, very good. It's the place that we are in, or it's a place that we live. For example, Vietnam. Vietnam is a country. Philippines. Philippines is a country. So that is what we mean by country. So next, so let's learn. So usual, we have our lesson objectives. We have vocabulary, phrases, reading, and discussion. Okay, so let's start for our first vocabulary. Okay, this one. Can you please read our first word?
City life
City life. Okay. When we say city life, Kwa, what is city life?
is the life in the city.
Very good. It's the life in the city. So when we say, in general, city life is the way people live in a city like you. Do you have a city life?
Yeah,
Yes. What do you prefer? Do you prefer city life or countryside life?
I prefer city life
And why?
because city life is very fun.
Okay, very good. So good job. So instead of saying the word funny, so you said fun. Yes, very good. So very good, very good. Yes, city life is very fun because as we can see, in the city life, there are a lot of things that you can do. There are a lot of places that you can go. Supermarkets, coffee shops, and there are also technologies. On the other hand, countryside, so it is more like a nature way of living. It is mostly the houses in the countryside mostly has farms, mm, more like farm animals, and it is a simple life rather than the city life. Okay, city life, very good. City life is more fun. But if you want to have a peaceful life, so you can go and live in the countryside. But if you want your life to be fun, so you can live in city or in the city. Okay, next. This one. What is our next word?
city center,
City center. Again, center, not censure. Center.
center
Okay, what do we mean by city center?
is the place in the middle of a city.
Place? Again, place is the place.
Is the place in the middle of a city.
Okay, very good. So, because when we say center, it means middle. So, meaning city center is the middle part of the city where shops, supermarkets, malls, and offices are. Okay. Do you usually go to the city center?
Yes,
What do you usually do in the city center?
I'm uh,
I What do you do? Do you go with the mall to shop? Do you go
yeah,
with, yeah, what do you usually do in the
I
city?
eat ice cream
Oh, I eat ice cream. Is it in the mall or outside the mall?
outside.
Ah, outside the mall. Okay. That's so nice because in the city center, so aside from having many supermarkets or malls, so city center also has many shops outside the mall. So that is what do we call that place out market? Yeah, market. We call it as a market. It is shops outside the mall. Yeah. So that's it. City life and city center. Next, what
Crowded
do we mean? Okay, what do we mean by crowded?
is the is a place has many people.
Okay, place that has many people. Very good.
Teacher, wait me. My mom called me.
Okay, sure. Take your time.
Okay, teacher.
It's okay now. Okay. So actually you are right. So this part. So crowded mean it has many people, but crowded doesn't mean that it is a place. So it means the idea of crowded is it's full of people or not much not much place, not much space. So we cannot say it is space, but it is instead a, a thought of having a lot of people and not having much space. Okay, so that is crowded. So you are right with this part. It has many people. Okay, so do you like a crowded place?
Yes.
Why? Why do you like crowded place?
Mm, because it's very
It's very
uh it's very uh,
it's very
loudy.
it's very yes because it's very
Loudy.
Loudy?
Yeah.
This one? Loudy?
Yes.
Do we have a word loudy?
Uh, oh.
Actually, we can just say loud. Yes, because it's very loud. But because we do not have a word loudly, we have a word that we can say as loudly. This one, loudly. But we do not have a word loudly. Okay, so we can just say loud. Okay, that's so nice. That's a nice idea. So, crowded place, it's much loud because there are a lot of people. And actually, most or some people they do not like crowded place. So it is they have this do you know different kinds of phobia? Do you know phobia?
What is
I don't know phobia. Okay. So when we say phobia, so is it is like having an intense fear of something. Like for example, we have agoraphobia. So this is a fear of crowded place. So you do not want to go into crowded places because you fear it. So this is kind of a fear. When we say phobia, it is a fear. Yeah, so there are different phobias that we have. We have, let me show you. Mm, let me just show you. Uh, okay, this one. There are lots of phobia that we have. Fear. When we say phobia, fear, like this one, we have arachnophobia. So it is fear of spiders. We also have ophidiophobia, fear of snakes, cynophobia, fear of dogs, acrophobia, fear of heights, aerophobia, fear of flying. So there are lots of phobia. So you can
teacher?
actually, yes,
I fear this.
are here this one
I really
insects?
scared insect.
Really? Really? Any kinds of insect?
Yes.
And entomophobia. Oh, you have entomophobia. Mm. So teacher, I have this one. Emetophobia. I have this one. It is an intense fear of vomiting. You know vomit? Vomit. You know the word vomit or puke. You know that one?
Yes.
Yeah, so I have an intense fear of that. Especially when I have stomach ache. So I really fear vomiting or puking. Yeah, that's my phobia. So that is phobia. So for crowded places, people who have fear of crowded places, we call it as agoraphobia. Yeah, so that's it. So next, so this one, our next word is, what's this one?
Noisy.
Okay, this one is very, what do you call that? This one is very easy. What do we mean by noisy?
Is loud.
Okay, very good. So when we say noisy, it's very loud. We are having lots of loud sounds. Okay. What can you tell teacher what is the noisiest place you know? Do you have a noise do you know any place or
Mm,
places that is noisy, very noisy?
Is the bar.
Yes, bar or club. Yeah, it's very noisy because it has lots of loud sounds. Especially, it is a place where people have fun. So it has loud sounds. Yeah, very good. And also, public market. Have you gone to a public market?
Teacher,
Yes.
do you watch World Cup?
Watch what?
Watch World Cup.
What's that?
Is the football.
Ah,
Uh,
World Cup. This one?
yes.
No,
Yes.
I don't watch it, but I see it often in my TikTok. Why?
Yeah.
Why do you ask? Do you watch it?
Mm, not often.
Not often. Who is your favorite team?
What
Who is your favorite team in the football?
is France?
France. Oh, are they strong?
Yes.
Oh, because I don't know them. Oh, it's live right now. Yeah, it's live. Yeah, I can see it in on YouTube. So it's live. It's the World Cup. It's France versus Spain. Okay, I do not watch most football or World Cup. I only watch mostly volleyball. Yeah, is volleyball famous in your country?
What?
Volleyball. This one, volleyball. Volleyball.
Yes.
Is it also famous in your country?
Yes.
Okay, it's also famous in our country. Most of the people here watch volleyball live. Okay, next. Let's have our next word. What's this one?
Easy.
Busy. When we say busy, what do we mean by busy?
Busy is we very
Mm-hmm.
not free.
Very good. Busy is we're not free because when we say busy, we are full of activity or many things are happening. Like for example, when you go home at school or when you go home from school, okay, and your teacher gave you lots of homework. So meaning you are busy at that day because you have lots of homework to do. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So right now, Kwa, do you think you are busy?
Yes.
Oh yes. What are the things that you do right now?
I'm studying.
You study? What do you study?
I'm studying.
Study? What do you study?
Studying. I'm studying English.
You study. I study English. Aside from English, do you study other subjects right now?
Uh,
Aside from English, do you study any other subjects or no? You just study English? Because I think it's your vacation until August. Is that correct? Your vacation is until August, your school vacation. Am I correct? Hello? Can you
uh,
can you hear teacher or no?
yes.
You can hear me. So, is your vacation at school until August, month of August?
I
Hello?
don't understand.
Huh? Is your vacation at school until August?
Yes,
Okay, so that's why. So you are just busy with your online schooling.
no,
What are you busy? Uh, what are you busy of right now?
we are studying English.
English? Only English?
Yes, you are teaching me English.
Okay. How about in other days? What are the other things that you do aside from doing English or studying English? What are the other things that you do?
I study.
Study? Study
Mm,
what? Math? Do you also study math online?
yes,
Oh, really? How about science? Do you also study science?
no,
No. Why? You don't want science?
yes, I don't want science.
Really? Science is a great subject because you learn a lot of things, especially about Earth. So science is you can learn about how the way things happens on Earth. So if you are interested with those kinds of things, so science is for you.
I only studying science offline.
Offline. Okay.
I study at my book.
Oh, you study with your book,
Yes,
science. That's so nice. You still make time to study your science. That's so nice. Okay. So next, oh, we have here the word. How do
teacher.
you read? Yes.
Oh, mm,
Yes.
where
What
is
is
it?
it?
Oh, here.
What's that?
Oh, I can take my pen.
Oh, you can take your pen.
Yes.
Um, okay, let me try. Can you try it again?
No, I my pen is
Is
my pen is uh
is
uh is stranded.
is stranded. What happened? It's open in my
The
end. It's open. You can
teacher
yes, you can use it.
can
Hmm?
can I
Can
uh
I? Can I what?
share my screen?
Oh, okay, sure. Wait. Let me give you a permission. How do you give permission? Okay, wait. I'm just trying to figure out. Oh, there.
Uh, can you see my screen?
Yes. What do you like to share?
The pen is
Where?
stranded. The in the uh tooth bar
Can you open?
here is
Where? Where is the
stranded.
pen?
Is stranded. In the tooth bar.
Toolbar?
Yes,
Where's the toolbar?
Here,
Can you click?
the the toothbar help me turn on or turn off the micro or the camera.
Ah, yes. Can you click the three dots?
Wait,
Uh, this one. Next to the X, the end call. I cannot circle. Next to the end call. Not that
I don't
one.
have to fix.
What is happening? It is open in my end. You are able to write earlier. Hmm.
Yes, but I take the pen in the toolbar.
How can you try to how to share this one? Can you try to can you see my screen? Can you try
Oh,
to
here,
oh you can
here,
see you,
you restart
oh you can see you
screen.
can see
Here,
you can see it
she
now?
is run deadline.
Oh, is it okay now?
Yes,
Okay, very good. That's so nice.
he
Okay.
is deadline.
He is?
She is run deadline.
Yes, she has deadlines. She is very busy. Okay, very good. That's so nice. Okay, next. How about this word? How do you read this word?
Bustling.
Okay, very good. It's bustling. When we say bustling, Kwa, do you know what bustling is?
Yes,
What what do we mean by bustling?
it's similar crowded.
Yes, it's similar to crowded because when we say bustling, it means that a place or something is very lively and full of energy. So when a place is crowded, so it means it's bustling because there are a lot of people. So meaning it is very lively, it is full of energy. So do you know places that you can describe the word bustling? Do you know any places that you can describe bustling? Or you can use the word.
Hmm.
What are those
My
places?
neighbor is
Mm-hmm.
bustling
Okay, very good. My neighbor is bustling because your neighbor is lively. Yeah, your neighbor is bustling because why is your neighbor bustling?
because my neighbor is crowded
Oh, your neighbor
and
is.
the people make bustling.
Oh, do you live in a condominium? Do you know this one? Condominium. Or you have a house. Like for example, this one. Do you live in a building? Building. This one. Building. Do you live in a building?
No,
Oh, it's a house.
yes,
Like this one. Like for example, this. A house. And you have a neighbors. Is that correct?
yeah.
A house in the land. Oh, I thought you are living in a building like this. This one.
My neighbor is always sing karaoke in the evening.
The one that is very noisy. Is it the one that is very noisy? Your noisy, very, very noisy, what do you call that? Neighbor? Is it your noisy neighbor?
Yes,
Oh, is it a he or a she? Your neighbor. Is it a he or a she?
There are a man and a woman
Ah,
and many children.
oh, and many children. Also, it's a married couple. Oh, and have you tried talking to them about their karaoke?
No,
Especially, I know.
I sing karaoke with them together.
Ah, you seem. Ah,
I go to their house and sing karaoke.
I
My
thought.
dad,
Mm, I thought.
because my dad and
Mm-hmm.
the man is my dad and the man is friends.
Ah, okay. I thought it is the one that you told teacher before, the noisy, what do you call that? The noisy neighbor. I think it's in your grandparents' house. The one that is very noisy. Do you remember that?
No,
Ah, you are the one who told teacher that
no,
you said
I
that you said before that in your grandparents' house there is a noisy neighbor. So
oh yes, yes.
they are
My
singing
neighbor is
your
uh
neighbor.
in the at the right of my house, and my grandparents' house is at the left.
Ah, okay. Ah, so is it just near your house?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So your noisy neighbor, the noisy neighbor of your grandparent is also your neighbor.
Yes.
But the neighbor that you are saying is your dad's friend, the one
Yes.
the one that you joined karaoke. That's why they are bustling. They are lively and full of energy. Next, let's proceed to our next word. Okay, before we proceed to this one, so if the Zoom ends, Aqua, so you just re-enter the Zoom, okay? Okay. Because the Zoom will end in 7 minutes because I only have 40 minutes free in Zoom.
Oh no.
Yeah. So we are just using a
We
free
has
Zoom.
only 10 minutes.
7 minutes. So
Oh
you need to re-enter the Zoom, okay?
yeah.
Okay, so we will finish this one until 10:30. Okay. So next, let's proceed to our next word. What is this?
Teacher,
Yes. What is it?
can you
Can you what? What
turn over the slide?
turn over?
I want to write the vocabulary.
Where? Ah, okay. Wait. Ah, okay. Go. You can write. So that you can also practice your writing
Where teacher?
skills. Ah,
I don't see the slide.
you don't see? What do you see?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see a a
Ah,
city has many cars.
oh, what vocabulary are you writing? This one?
Oh, I already finished teacher.
Oh, you finished this one. How about this one? Mm. What are you writing? Or what will you write?
I mistake.
Hmm?
I've mistake. I think it's not bustling.
Ah, it's not. What is that?
Is I talking with you and I don't remember I write or already write the vocabulary.
Ah, okay. So you will not write anything.
Yes, but I already finished.
You already finished. Okay, so now let's go to our next word. Okay, what is this?
Uh, Traffic jam
Traffic jam. Very good. When we say traffic jam, what do we mean by that?
is is traffic
Traffic.
and many cars,
Very good.
bus tend to wait.
Very good. So because when we say traffic jam, so like what you have said, there are many cars. Like in the picture, there are a lot of cars. But what's happening in the pictures, it is we can describe it as traffic jam. Because when we say traffic jam, it is when many cars are stuck and cannot move. So usually, what do you think are the reason why a place has a traffic jam? What do you think are the reason? Do you know what are the
Yes,
reasons? Yeah, what are the reasons why we have or we experience a traffic jam, especially in one? Mhm.
it is not have a traffic light pole.
Yes, there is no a traffic line. What do you call that? Traffic, traffic line, traffic line. Do
Traffic light pole.
light. Okay, traffic light pole. Yes, very good. So there is no traffic light. And also, most common reason why there are traffic jams is accidents or car accidents. So mostly, so there are car accidents. So that's why the cars in some places they cannot move because there is an accident happening. So that's it. That is traffic jam. Okay. So the next word. What is this one?
High cost of living
High cost of living. Very good. So when we say high cost of living, Hua, what do we mean by that?
is the uh
Mm-hmm. It's the
is the things anything's upgrade the cost.
very good. So when we say high cost of living, so the things are getting expensive, especially food, houses, and things are expensive. Like, for example, in the city life, when we
Teacher,
compare, yes,
do you know the gold cost?
you know the go cost,
Gold no gold cost?
gone cost.
No. Yeah.
Okay, you can write it. Can you write it? Gold, the gold cost. Ah, this one.
Yes.
What is it? What do we mean by gold cost? Ah, it's
It's
like
very
this
very high.
this one. Gold.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Because gold, gold costs expensive, especially when you invest on buying golds. And when the time comes in the future, it will get expensive. So yeah. So I think in different countries, there are different gold costs, like this one. Hello again. Okay, so that's nice. So you joined earlier.
Okay.
So there are different costs of golds, especially in different countries. Like for
Yes.
like for example, in the United States, so it's this gold bar, this gold eagle costs $4,965.
It's very much money.
Yeah, that's right. Because if you convert it into Vietnam, dollars, four nine $65 to Vietnam is your currency dong,
Yeah.
Vietnamese dong. So it will cost you one thousand
Oh
one
my
hundred
gosh.
130,388.
Yes. Is the that money can to buy a car?
Oh, really? This one?
Oh,
How much
a
is how much
a small
is
car.
it's only a small car? Really?
Yes. Here can I can draw
Can I see? What kind of car? Do you know the brand of the car?
car to chair.
What brand?
Is VF3. You can
V
search it.
VF3. Like this?
Yes.
Oh, oh, is it small? Oh, yeah, it's small. Yeah, it's very small.
This
Oh, this.
car can trade a gold.
Yeah, but it's so small, right? So it can only fit like how many people can fit here? So it's very small. Looking at the person. So I think it's only two-seater or four. Is it an
Two.
only two? Is
Only
it
two.
is it an electric car?
Yes, electric car.
Ah, okay. Oh, it's an electric car. How about do you know Tesla? Is there a Tesla in
Yes.
Vietnam?
Yes, it's very much money.
Oh, it's expensive. You cannot buy a Tesla by
Yes.
this. Really?
Is
Really?
Elon Musk is make it.
Yeah, it's expensive because Tesla, I think Tesla has automatic control. So if you are sleepy in your car, so the car can drive itself. So you
Yeah.
don't need to drive. So that's why this Tesla is very very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that means it is high cost of living. So car, it's very expensive. Next, we have learned this one
Yes.
previously, pace of life. What do we mean by pace of life? Just to review you. What do we mean
Is
by it?
the time to live time of live of life.
Very good. It's the time or the speed, how fast or how slow daily life is. For example, in the city, we have a fast pace or fast pace of life. In the what do you call that? In the countryside, the pace of life is very slow. Mm. What do you like more? Do you like a fast or a slow pace of life? What do you like more, Kwa? Fast or slow pace of life?
Yes.
Do you like a fast pace of life?
No.
Oh, what do you like more?
Mm,
Slow
is
pace, slow pace of life?
yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why? Why do you like a slow pace of life?
Mm,
Because
Uh,
it's not pressuring.
mm,
Because
yeah.
because fast pace of life, so it's kind of pressuring. So especially when you live in a city, the the pace of life is very fast. So mostly you are like, what do you call that? You are chasing things in the city. So it's more peaceful to have a slow pace of life. So here we have slow pace of life and fast pace of life. So the difference between two, so when we say slow, so life moves calmly, not rushed. When we say fast, life moves quickly. People are always busy. Okay, in the city life, we usually experience a fast pace of life, countryside, slow pace of life. Next, our last word. What do we mean by this?
Was living
Okay, worth living. What do we mean by worth living?
is very you uh mm,
It's very,
need to live it.
yes, or need to live. Actually, when we say worth living, it means we are talking about a place that is good and enjoyable to live in. Especially in the city, there are a lot of places that are good and enjoyable to live in, especially in big houses. So that is worth living. Or
Yeah.
in peaceful places. It is worth living. Okay, now I have one last question for you. Do you think
What?
do you think your city is worth living?
Yes,
Yes.
because it's very fun
Yes, because it's very fun.
and I
Mhm. And I what
like
do you
it
like?
like the uh
What do you like?
pace of life of
You
the
like,
city.
oh, I thought you like a slow pace of life.
Yes.
Yeah, but in the city, we have a very fast pace of life.
No.
Hmm? Really? Are you sure?
Yes.
In the city, it's very fast. Very, very fast.
No.
Mm,
It's mm, we call it
because
uh we
it's
call it a bit fast.
a bit fast only, not very, very fast. I see. But mostly in the city, it's very fast because most people are busy. They are mostly
And
working. Yeah. Okay. So next, we will skip the part of review. So just make sure to review it by
read
yourself.
the discussion. Oh,
Okay. Okay,
gosh.
let's read. Let's read the story that we have.
I live in Hanoi City
Mhm,
with the captain of Vietnam. I lived here for nearly 8 years
mhm.
since I entered university. Actually, Hanoi is a beautiful city with many places to visit such as Hoàn Kiếm Lake, Grass Lake, Homo Solium. Moreover, You can enjoy many special ties here and like noodle or pho and roll cake. Yeah. Sometimes I and my friends often go to places like Guam Lake and the Old Town to walk and relax at the weekend or on holidays. We go to the suburb or areas like Bavi National Park and Bachang Village. People in Hanoi are quite friendly, but like people in other big cities, they often busy, so it seems that they are not interested in speaking or having a chat, but they are willing to help you when you need. I don't like something about my city. Hanoi is very crowded, and the transportation system is very bad, so we have to face traffic jam every day, especially in rush hours. Moreover, Hanoi is also polluted. Air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Most of food here is also not too safe.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's read again these words. Okay, let me just highlight this one. How do you read this word?
Captain,
Okay, let's say capital.
capital,
Very good. How about this one?
specialize,
Okay, we do not call it as specialties. We read it as specialties.
specialties,
Okay, very good. How about wait, this one.
places,
Okay, we call it as places. Places, not places. Places.
yes,
Okay, how about wait, this one.
wheelie,
Okay, very good. It's willing because you read it as earlier as whiling. It's
yes, I remember,
yeah, it's willing. Okay, next. How about this one?
system,
Okay, we read it as system.
system,
Okay, very good. So not system, system. Okay, so good job. So those are the things that we have in our story. Now let's answer the question that we have. Actually, we only have 1 minute, but let's finish this.
how
Okay,
long have Ling lived in this city?
how long?
Ling lived here for nearly 8 years.
Okay, very good. So 8 years.
Talk about some interesting places to visit
Places.
in Lin place
Okay,
places to
okay,
visit in Lin City
very good. Okay, can you talk about some interesting places?
is
What are the places that she said?
is Hoàn Kiếm Lake,
Mhm.
West Lake Mausoleum
Okay, very good. And there is another one. I think two, two more places.
is Bavi National Park and Baton Rouge.
Okay, very good. Do you know all these places?
Yes,
Oh,
talk
are
about people. Ealing's city.
Okay.
The people is
Is.
often people are often busy, but they are willing to help you when you need,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
they are not interested in speaking or having a chat.
Okay, very good. Next, last question.
Is there anything she dislike about her city? Yes,
What are those?
she dislike the city crowded and the transportation system is very bad. So she thought we have to face traffic jam every day, especially in rush hours.
Okay.
Moreover, Hanoi is also polluted. Air pollutions, water pollution, and noise pollution, and the food in here is not too safe.
Okay.
Also,
Yeah,
uh,
very good. So those are the things that she don't like about her city. So very
yes,
good, Kwa. Yay, we'll finish. So for this one, I think you just needed to just review because next time I think you will have a new teacher, Kwa. Next time you will have a new teacher again
okay.
because teacher will be on leave. Yeah, I will focus on the reviewing on my examination. So I will not be teaching anymore until August 21. Okay? So be good to your new teacher, okay? Okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye and see you again soon. I think if you still want to be my if you still want me to be your teacher, I will come back on August 21. So goodbye and thank you so much. So you did a great job. Bye bye. I'm so sleepy now. Good night.